Forgot that I had to park all the way down here in the no man's land. So gotta walk all the way here. Meeting up my boy Roma today to take a look at his food truck. Get some footage for that. Then my boy Brandon Wood, one of my homies from Kokomo, is flying in. He has a workout with the Magic, so a tryout. So be so dope if that boy got on our team, man. What? We need all the help we can get. They need to be going to LA Fitnesses in front of people, man. We don't even make the playoffs.
Ow, guess who's back in the house with a bunch of souvenirs and a smile for your mouth, kicking out your doors and jumping on your couch. You know what we bout, yeah. You know what we bout. You shouldn't doubt.
What up, big dog?
What's good, bro?
My dude flew with just a little bag.
Man, I'm here, man. That's all I got.
Good, big dog.
Man.
What up?
Where's this Magic player?
Hey, how you doing?
He's at my house.
I didn't say he was bringing them, I just said he was trying out.
What are you getting?
My knife kit. I'm just gonna like get a picture of me like over here.
Oh, snap.
Shit. Ready to go.
Yeah, so explain to me like the different.
You got my main chef knife right here. Love it so much I put it on my arm. Got my brisket holder. Got my everything chop every day. Another one of my little babies for my slicing.
What would you use this for that?
This I use for my vegetable slicing.
And then this one right here, what do you use that for? This thing?
This is just this one right here. This is for just heavy chopping. This is for some serious brisket chopping right here. Brisket, pork, anything like that. That's what I mean business. A delicate paring knife. This is what helps me make things elevated.
Like what?
All right. So I do nice little things with my vegetables and everything like that. When I need real thin slices, I go to my sushi knife. I don't do sushi, but the knife is still good for everything else.
Got the nice people at One Fat Frog. So what's One Fat Frog? We'll give you guys some promo too.
What is
Restaurant, kitchen equipment, food trucks, and trailers.
So like what? Who would come to you? Like what? If they
Anybody wanting a food truck, any flavor, food, barbecue, fast food, dining, you name it, we can build it. You dream it, we
Custom?
can build it. Custom made, exactly how you want it.
This right here is the first timer for One Fat Frog. From what I understand, they've never put in an insulated smoker like this.
They've never put one in before?
This is one of a kind, first time. They had to buy 20 extra feet of this so that we could get the gas out above the roof. So thank you, One Fat Frog, for buying some more steel for me and hooking up. They got my flume in here. It's not going to come out. This way it's going to stay in. I'm always ready to go, control my temperature. Well, that's cool. And here you got the brand new, never been used. Still got the keys and valves. Got it right here. This is our smoker box. T-box. I'm gonna get some muscle pulling this thing.
We gotta work out if you're gonna be.
Yo, I'm gonna hit for real, yo. There's my firebox right here. Little T-box setup with different woods, charcoal. It's gonna help maintain my 225 at all times. Here we got our oven, my cash register in here, so I can take Paul's money. I got my 6-burner stove as well here. Custom brand new hood. Do all the installation, even the hood up there. Got the VTAC. I'm gonna make sure I break everything first.
I would say you break it, you buy it, but
Yeah, right.
I already bought it.
I already bought it. So. There we go.
Gotta get Roma in the gym.
Yeah, dude. I don't work out, I just cook, man. Got my griddle, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up in a little bit. Got my steam tables. Got a little prep table over here.
So you're like
low boy.
chop up stuff, cut up
So I'll
stuff.
put
here.
my cutting board on here so I can go ahead and get to work on that. Got a small freezer. just for
That's
ice.
freezer?
Yeah, just for ice and I don't know. I don't really need the freezer that much. If I put one, just
Not yet. Yeah, better to have one and not
I'd
use
rather
it
have it and not use it
than need it and not
I
have
got
it.
the prep table out of it.
Right.
I got my hot oil over here. And my pantry sandwich.
Oh, this is legit. I like that. Oh, this is the
TV. So
TV.
we put all the media shit here, like glass videos.
This is to put these up.
That controls the hunting. This is my electric regulator for the hot water. Right here. This is my camera set up here. So don't steal from me. I'm watching. Got 5 of them. That should be up and running in about 2 weeks or so, something like that. Just waiting on that inspector to come through.
You know,
give me my license.
so like what type of places are you gonna be in?
You know, I'm gonna go back to my regular spots right now. Start off in Lake Nona, probably Sanford. I got a couple office buildings over in Metro West, and actually down the street off of John Young for Marriott. They want me to book some of their lunches too. But really, I want to get into the high energy. I want to get into festivals. If I get Orlando City or the Buck Stadium, concert venues, speedways for Daytona, Sebring, you know, wherever I can get in, that's just high energy, high octane.
So how people know where to find you? Like where
You can follow me on Instagram at Chef Roma85. ChefRoma 85. On Twisted Catering, my Facebook page. I keep them all updated. You can't be lazy. You gotta clean everything. You gotta be on top of it. Anticipate guest needs. And, you know, we're paying for it. You're making it. Still make it beautiful, make it flavorful. And don't have a roach motel in your kitchen. Don't have a what? Roach motel. Oh, yeah. We don't want any of that. Don't get that's nasty. Dude, like, all the cycling, like, we're not hot boil order. You're like, clean, you know, as you go. I'm passionate. This is like the only thing I'm passionate about, man. Like, this is what I want to do. I want to make money. I want to be successful. Like, if a little bit of like fame comes with it, as far as being a local person, you know, whatever, that's fine. I really just want to make people happy. Seeing people smile when they eat, watching them fucking like finish the whole plate and throw away empty plates. That's my thing. That's my high. I quit drinking, I quit drugging. That's my high now. It's like watching people throw away empty dishes into the garbage can and not feeding it to their dog. You know, like they're like doing it, coming back for seconds. I've had plenty of customers come back like, yo, that was so good. Can I have another? Like, that's awesome. That's the biggest compliment I can ever receive in my entire life. But if something's not good, I need something to tell me. Like, I need to change the ingredient big time. You know, something. If it's one person who's their pain, then yeah, there's some people who are gonna be like, I don't like this. You don't like anything. Like, because my food is finicky friendly. I grew up not eating shit as a kid. We're gonna go ahead and shut it off. Take it to the commissary now.
So I gotta make sure that he doesn't freaking hit anything since this is his first time parking in here.
Oh yeah, when in doubt, yeah. You should call T-Lo just for the free throw. We go harder than a lot of niggas just to get position. You should just listen. I wanna know you, yeah, yeah. I can just tell you, but I wanna show you, yeah, yeah. I like the oil, yeah, yeah.
It's his first time parking in here, so he's trying to figure it out. So I gotta make sure he doesn't run into anything. Glad it's him doing that, not me.
I got them, but I really want you. You got friends, you should really bring your bro. You got drugs, you should really bring them, yeah. I know the plug, I might really bring them, yeah. I got them, but I really want you. You got friends, you should really bring your bro. You got drugs, you should really bring them, yeah. I know the plug, I might really bring them, yeah.
There we go. Good job, brother.
First time parking this.
I know the play, yeah. I know the play, yeah.